Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. So today we're talking about a very interesting niche of AI agents, which is AI agents for very large data. Agents for simple, small data and for very large data have very different characteristics. They, you can run a simple agent on a single point of data, but when you have millions of rows of data, when I'm talking about a simple task like the background task Harita just talked about, right? I want to index the entire code base and read that through these agents. Will I write a simple script and manage those scripts through these millions of data points? That doesn't work. You will see a problem of parallelization, reliability, memory, and a lot of other things. You need state persistence. You need a central orchestrator, and you need to have the ability to scale efficiently. And that is the distributed AI agentic system that Exosphere is.
Yeah. So Nikita's throat is not super well, so I decided to join in with it. So let's see how you can create these agents in Exosphere. So I'm creating a simple agent here, which processes a lot of resumes and tell a recruiter if this is a good fit or not. You define very simple nodes. Each node could be inherited from Exosphere package base node class. And what we do is each of these node is now running independently like a microservice. And it's scaling up and down, managing the underlying hardware, depending upon how much events this specific node has. So let's visualize this. So I have one instance running for this. So at the first step, we just got a lot of documents. It automatically parallelized. We have each of these running independently. Any failures, we have retries. We figure out decisions we should go forward with a specific branch or not. For example, here agent decided, I don't want to continue execution here, and this branch was pruned. And all of this is happening with batch inferencing, with large data methods. Essentially, in short, TLDR is we enable you to create batch agents very easily and very reliably. You want to end?
All right. So that was Soft Probe.